Hello student, we are discussing on door and windows. Now we have to draw some ventilator for washroom and front wall. So go to plan first. And then draw a rectangle and it should be into the wireframe. Then go to rectangle, draw a rectangle by 2.5 feet and 2 feet. So this is the ventilator for the washroom, and you just offset it by 2 inch inside, and then offset it by 0.75 inside, then offset 4 inch inside, and then go to southwest and press pull the frame by 3 inch and go to conceptual visual style. Then press pull the stopper strip by 2 inch and 1.5 inch. Press pull the stopper strip by 1.5 inch and move it by 1.5 inch upward in Z direction. Just union the both and erase the rectangle for stopper strip. Then press pull the tail and trailing by 1.5 and the board by 0.75. Then move the board by picking its midpoint to the midpoint of tail and trailing. Then go to southwest and the ventilator for washroom is ready. Now we draw the main gate. Now go to top view, then in 2D wireframe, then draw a rectangle here by 4 feet width and 8 feet height. Then offset it by 1.1 inch 1 inch inside, and then offset the second by 0.5 inside, and again offset by 0.75, then trim the line, this line, and then extend it to the lower line. Now draw a line downward by 0.5 and stretch it as enter. Select object by crossing this type, and then press enter. Pick endpoint and then midpoint. Erase the line and then draw a line upward by 5 inch, and then draw a perpendicular to the left, then extend this line to the right side and erase the helping line, then offset, then go to southwest isometric and press pull this by 0.5, enter, and go to conceptual visual style, array select this strip, then rows should be 16, column should be 1, and row offset should be 6. Then okay, then this is the strip. One strip is just going outward, so the extended strip to be trimmed, to be erased or dimmed. So go to orbit and rotate it back side, then press pull this, press pull, this is not P, press pull reverse side, and then separate the strip and erase the independent strip, and then go to southwest isometric. Now union the strips and press pull the frame for these strips by 1.5, and then move these strips by 0.5. Then union the both strips, frame and strips. Then again press pull the outer frame by 2 inch and then move this by 0.25 upward in Z direction, and the main gate for the house is ready. Now go to southwest isometric. Now we have to draw the window for the main window front wall. So draw a rectangle, going to plan and then draw a rectangle here, pressing the enter and going to the enter by 4 feet and 6 feet. Then go to 2D wireframe and offset this line by 2 inch inside. Then zoom it window, then offset it by 0.75, enter inside, then offset it by 4 inch the middle line inside. Sorry, this is wrong. We just draw a line here, mid to mid vertical, then offset it by 1 inch the both either sides, left and right. Erase the middle line and trim the in-between lines, and this line also be erased. Then PE enter and select this line, then J enter and select this line, press enter. Now offset this rectangle by 0.75 inside, and then offset the middle line by 4 inch inside, and then go to southwest isometric. Then press pull this by 5 inch and go to conceptual visual style. Then press pull the stopper strip by 2 inch and move it. I think it's midpoint to the midpoint of the main frame. Then erase this line, enter, then press pull this by 1.5, then again go to southwest isometric and move the window